Hi, so welcome back to the Violin Lessons channel. I'm Benjamin Barnes, aka Bencasso. Thanks for tuning in. This is Strictly Strings, page 32, learning F natural on the D string and dotted quarter eighth notes. The key of C has all natural notes, therefore all F's and C's are played as naturals. So this is an F sharp, high 2, F natural, low 2, C sharp, high 2, C natural, low 2. Now then there's the fermata. You hold the note longer than usual, and usually you hold it for twice the value. That's what conductors will do. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be a up, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That was dotted quarter note. Now we're going to do number 1. There's an exercise in low 2s and high 2s on the D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Low 2, high 2, high 2, low 2. And notice they have those arrows to show you which ones are high and low 2s, F sharps or F naturals. Next is the C major scale, and there's a repeat. So 1, 2, third finger on the G string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Low 2, low 2, now number 3, we're going to count and play eighth notes at the same time. So 2, 4. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2 and. Now the next one, we've tied 3 eighth notes together, and then we play a separate 4th eighth note. So 1 and 2, and this was an example, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. So play with me, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2. Now we're going to do the exact same rhythm, but with a dot instead of a third eighth note tied. So 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 1 and 2 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 and 1 and 2. Next, we've got a Welsh folk song. This is all through the night, and it's andante or walking tempo, number 6. First, you play piano, and then you repeat and you play forte the second time through. Then, when you get to the end of the second line of the song, you see there's a DC al fine, a da capo al fine. It means go back to the beginning and play until the fine, which is the end, which is the 8th bar of the top line. It's all through the night. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Now loud. Now we've got the Shepherd's Hay. It's number 7. And notice there are accents. So nice accent on the first note of each measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, Shepherd's Hay. That's it for page 32. Go up there, look up there to the next one. That'll be page 33. And have a great day. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.